such a lovely day. And Ken is here with me. Wow, he's so handsome.
Hey, beautiful, look what I've got for you.
Oh, Ken, it's so romantic. Thank you.
Sorry, Barbie. Mermaids are better.
Let's go, Ken.
Sure.
Live this ugly one. Oh, no, he likes mermaids more. Oh, look at this handsome one. He's gorgeous.
And I was like, give me the ball. And boom.
I'm better than her. He just needs to see me.
What? Barbie? Hey, Barbie, mermaids are better.
Just leave her. Aw, he likes mermaids more. What's wrong with me? What, the legs? Right, it must be it. Yet no challenge will ever stop me. But what I need to do? If you want to be a mermaid, you will need a tail. Oh, hope it won't hurt. But you're right, let's do it. First, let's change my shoes. These flippers will do so much better. Now some duct tape. And now I need something shiny.
Try these.
Ugh. This one, no. This is just what I need. Just pour it all up here. The more, the better. Nice and shiny. Done. Another one? Nope. Now I look fabulous. Huh? Now you need to match the tail to your bra. To my bra? All right. And what could I use for it? These sweet beauties? Let's try some flowers on. No, not the best choice. What do we have here? Yellow journal style? Nah. My little ones? Also no. Oh, what to do? It's so hard to... Oh, this one looks nice. Let's try it on. Perfect. So nice and fancy. But my hair? All the mermaids have so bright and fancy hair. Let's pick up a color. Green? Nah. Orange? Also no. Yellow? Looks better, but no. Red? Yes, this might work. I just need to reach the machine. Here it is. So we'll put this one here. Oopsie. That wasn't me, guys. Finally. What? Just wash it up, wash... Phew, it's me again. But I still don't look like a mermaid. All right, let's add some fancy shadows. And put it right on the eyelids. Aha! The result is brilliant! Ooh, my stomach! I just need to order some food. Real Mermaid's one.
Knock, knock, mermaid's delivery.
Ow, so fast! What have we got here? Fish? Ew, so smelly! And what's here? Pearls, fabulous! Let's add some too! Wow, this way it looks fantastic! Ow, what is it? A letter? Help? Oh, whatever. I'll just enjoy some water. Oh, Ken, I wish one day you will be mine.
Yes, beautiful.
Huh? How is this? Oh, my lips! Beautiful! Wait! Earring! I need some earring! Let's make some too! Just choose up a form. Add some mermaid details. Stick it up together, very carefully. And add some pearls and glitter. Almost ready. Let's take a look. First and the second. Right what I needed.
Wow!
Now I look like a mermaid.
Yay!
So do you like how I look like? You look perfect. Ken is waiting.
Yes!
Knock, knock.
Wait, who might it be?
Mermaid's delivery.
What? I didn't order it. Wait a minute. This voice, is it...
Wow, Barbie, you look so beautiful.
I slept like a rock. Good morning, world. Time to get ready. Starting with my pearly whites. Minty fresh. Breakfast of champions and lots of coffee. Delicious. And my outfit. Perfect. Hey, what's going on? What a magical place. Wow, I'm not at the dream house anymore. What is she doing? Okay, hi! You look just like my doll! Unbelievable! It's Barbie! You guys have to see this! Wow, she's real! Wow, look at her shoes! Wow, you are so beautiful! Hair is amazing!
Let's check out her skirt!
Sorry, I gotta go. But Barbie, wait! You can't leave! Barbie! Stop chasing me! Get her!
Yeah!
Wait, I think I might be lost.
Come here!
Whoa! I can...
Hold this.
I think she's in here. Have you seen Barbie?
Nope, sorry.
What? Just cleaning. So dirty.
Whew, that was close.
It sure was. I missed my old clothes. So much prettier, right?
Listen, we really need to get out of here. Quickly, come on!
Hello? Where is Barbie?
Get inside.
Such a gentleman.
Stay here, okay?
Okay. Well, hi, friends.
Crazy lady.
Wait, what are you doing? Hello. Huh? Something feels weird. Let's see. It's some sort of brown goo. Just chocolate. So fun.
I think we lost him. But you should still hide.
Oh.
Library's still okay? We don't have much time.
Hey, bro. I'm home.
She needs medication. It's all clear.
That was terrifying. I need to call a doctor.
Did you say doctor?
Nobody's there. Hello? Anybody?
Anything good on telly?
Breaking news. Tonight, a real-life Barbie was seen at Lala High School. If you have any information about her, please call the number below.
Smokes, you made the news! So you're really
Hello?
Barbie?
Yes, I'm real. And there is my cab. Bye.
Wait, you can't fit in that thing! I think it's too small for you.
It's not working.
Barbie, it's gonna be okay.
I want to go home.
Wait, I know how to cheer you up.
I miss the dream house. What's that smell? Wow, smells amazing. I love fruit. I could sniff this stuff all day. Wow, so yummy. I'm not sad anymore.
I got us a pizza. What are you doing?
Oh, you want to try some?
No, I have real food, see?
Wow, how interesting. Is that cheese? What a glorious feast. So nice.
Wait, you gotta bite it. Then chew. See?
Bite it and chew. Oh, wow! I have never tasted anything like this before. It's like a body in my mouth. I'm swimming in sauce, baby. More cheese? Oh, yes, please. This is the best thing ever.
Barbie?
Wow, it's just so good. I never want to stop eating! More!
What? But I've only had one piece!
That was incredible! What happened to my stomach? Wow, look at all this clothes! This is like paradise! And everything is pink! Amazing! I want to try everything on! First up, a baby pink set! Perfect for the beach! Catch! Or what about this silk number? This is fabulous, so what? Or maybe something more spotty? What do you think?
Man, I'm so bored. Guess you found something. Oh, more? That's like shopping spree. I think that's enough.
Over here. Hi, guys. You don't say much, do you? So rude. But this gives me an idea. This is gonna be fun.
Barbie, where are you? So strange. Barbie?
You found me! Look at this!
Huh?
Those two dressed together, both together! Alright?
Okay, you got me. Come on!
Okay, but I think it's time for some new shoes!
Just sit right there. We'll find you some shoes in no time. Come on, show her! See anything you like?
Wow! Those are cute! The high heel!
Oh, nope, this one's better. Trust me, just try it. Come on, get in there. I know it'll fit. Just a little bit further.
I don't know if that's my size.
Come on. Uh-oh. Watch out. Oh, that was close.
Oops. Give me those.
You nearly killed me. But thank you for your business. Cash or credit? So expensive.
Don't worry, I got it. Cash, please. Bye.
Bye. What a nice couple. Wait a minute. This is Barbie Cash. I can't believe this. They wrote me blind. Somebody call the authorities. Help me. My life is over.
Home, sweet home. What a fun afternoon. What's next?
Depends on how much cash I have. Yep, I know. I'm gonna get a surprise for you.
A surprise! Hey, the lights! Hello! Is anybody home? Who's there? And what's with the lights? Hello! Oh, it's Timmy's sister! Hi! That's right! Hi, Barbie! Let's play!
Barbie, I'm home! What the?
Will you pass the sugar? Timmy, you're back! Would you like to join us?
No, thank you.
It's okay. Can I play outside?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you! This was fun! Totally! Bye!
See ya! She has changed a lot.
Yeah, look, she left her Barbies. Oh, hi Barbie! Hi Ken! Well, look at that!
What?
Sit down!
Huh?
It's your turn for some pampering! Hang on tight!
What'd you do to my hair? Huh? I feel different!
You look awesome! And this is my house!
Wow! Do you want me to come into your world?
If you would, I'd love to have you! Well...
I'd love to see where you live.
I'm so glad! Come on in! Welcome to my world!
Cool!
Oh, it was delightful. Give me all the pizza. How fast can it smell?
Glad you like it!